foot down. Good job.
FitLabPGH back with a movement tip lifestyle hack, hanging with the Labradors, talking about movement and making it a lifestyle. One of the things we do to make movement a lifestyle is we don't focus so much on pace or how long we go, although I do use a GPS watch. Instead, very often my walks or my runs or my fartleks or whatever you want to call them are done at dog's pace. What that means is when the dogs want to go fast, we go fast. When the dogs want to go slow, we want to go slow. When it's hot and humid and they want to eat acorns falling on the ground, well, they eat the acorns, but I don't. But the key message is we don't focus so much on pace as we focus on getting movement on. So we can focus on pace when we're doing our workouts, but with making movement a lifestyle, the importance is movement, not how far, how fast, or how long you go. So move more, move often, and if you've got a dog, give them a scratch.